What's up, y'all? We back again for another video, so y'all stay tuned. We're finna cook up this meal. It's gonna be delicioso. What you think? What you think?
I think it's gonna be good.
So yeah, y'all stay tuned.
I don't know. Chicken and then seasoning.
Okay, look over here.
Then this.
You gotta show it to them. They ain't see it, Brianna. So this is the first time she making this live. Okay, what else you got?
And chicken.
Yeah, so we gonna making taco roll-ups. So first things first.
Yeah.
So we gonna first things first. We're gonna turn the thing on. We're gonna put it on like 4. Put it on like 4. So we're gonna let this heat up, and then you're gonna put some of this in there. Show it to them like this. Show it. Put some of that oil in there. We use that sometimes. So she gonna put that in there and let it heat up. So y'all stay tuned. We finna get down today.
Or the shrimp.
You're on here and you're doing what now?
I'm deciding which one should I cook first. The shrimp or the chicken?
So the people wanna know. So how long you been cooking? She don't know. Maybe like what, 2-3 years? Yeah, cause the first time you made something was that chicken.
I've made multiple stuff.
I'm talking about that first time we on the skillet by yourself. What's that chicken? What you looking for? The grease still heating up, y'all, so it ain't did nothing yet. So we back. Go on and drop your first piece in there. Go and drop your first piece in there. Drop the first few pieces in there. Okay. Okay. Keep going. You can put the whole thing in there. They'll cook evenly. Yeah, keep going. Is that all?
That's all the chicken.
Okay. So we got it in there. All she gotta do now, you come back and it gets going. So y'all stay tuned for that. Drop your roll-ups in there. Okay. You got one in there. Now, drop another one. Drop another one. Ooh, so y'all stay tuned and see how roll-ups turn out. So I'm finna drop mine in here. See what it do. I got it in there. That made me some too. Y'all stay tuned for that. For the taste test. So this is mine. Then this is Brianna. She made chicken. I had impossible. So yeah. Made the little taco. And you got nachos. Show me up.
This is one. And this is the nacho. Yeah.
So you you in school. Just okay. So what you think of that? Your first time making it?
It's interesting.
Do you think it'll take you a long time?
It took me.
Or you know we had a lot of interruptions, so couldn't just sit down and eat. Like you wanted to. But it turned out pretty good. I don't know, y'all. I probably give me a harder tripod. Cause this one keeps sliding. Then y'all can't see the food. Taco Bell hood. So how long do you think it took you to make that? How long do you think it took you to make that?
It depends.
You ain't talking, it's a mukbang.
Oh.
You're supposed to talk and eat. Dang, you're Taco Bell now.
What is it to talk about?
Whatever.
I don't know.
You don't know.
I don't know.
How do you feel about going to ninth grade?
Interesting.
Why?
Because it is interesting.
Aren't you scared or something?
No.
When I went to ninth grade, I was the same age as you. No, when I was 12. Yeah, I was 12. Because my birthday came late.
Can you hand it to that thing?
I'm gonna tell y'all, this is fire. This is fire. If you ain't made this before for Taco Tuesday, you're tripping. But, you know, it's a Monday, so. So, like, when you go, like in high school, the games are different though. Like when you go to like the football game, there'll be a whole lot more people. So you know how you like walking around like stuff like that? You can't be doing all that at the high school game because there's so much stuff going on. They usually have like the first game in August. So you'll see. It's called the Jamboree. Yeah. Football team for whoever they play first. In the Jamboree. And then you get to see all the other schools play. What did you learn in middle school? That you gonna take to high school? What you learn?
In 8th grade?
Yeah, the whole middle school. What did you learn? Like a takeaway.
One thing I learned, actually nothing. They didn't teach us nothing really.
See?
Mostly videos.
Video.
We just watch videos, quizzes, and that's it.
Scoot over so you can see a little bit. This video. Just think about it. You made history. Think about it. How many people know they went to school during a pandemic? You. Ain't nobody else.
I was in the 6th grade.
That's what I'm saying. Now you're almost in high school. Would you say it's harder to learn in school or is it easier to learn at home? Just sitting in front of the computer.
In the computer, they passed us.
You know what I'm saying? Is it easier? Or you like being in the classroom? Yeah, why is that?
Because I get to wear anything I want.
So you just hop on camera with some hot pink on or something and you like, hey y'all. See? See, I work from home, slow down. I work from home, so I like it, but I just don't like all them meetings. They be having too many meetings for me. You don't need to meet every 5 seconds for everything.
Yeah.
Let's have a meeting because Pastor Deacon and his church only have a fish fry. So we trying to collect money. Or if somebody, family member passed away. Why are you asking me for money? I ain't got no money. I ain't got no money. It'll be like every week, I'm like, I ain't got no money for you. But all in all, it's a good experience, but it's better when you just don't have so many meetings out. I've been meeting for everything. Meeting to brush your teeth, come on in here. Wash your face and put your clothes on. They will literally have a meeting for that. But either way, it's fun to stay at home, but I'm telling you, I'd rather just be making these videos and doing something else productive sometimes. Or if you sitting there waiting on an email, you be sitting there all day. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. You don't want to sit there all day waiting. You check your email. Or if you do gotta go back into the office or something, I wouldn't have to go up in there. In some places, they don't clean their stuff, you know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. Like our school would, you be at school, you know that bathroom be dirty. Cause you see it every day. But what would you rate this meal?
That one?
From all of it. From when we made, the last time, since we made them pizzas. We made the pizzas that last time.
This meal is a 13 out of 10.
Oh, yeah, you like this the best. Hope you pay attention to me. I said, hope you pay attention and you know how to make it yourself. You know what I'm saying? But oh, they hit the spot. So, any last words before we end this video? You know what I'm saying? I'm going to town. Well, she ain't got nothing to say, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And drop some more video ideas you'd like to see us do in the comments below. So I'm out this thing, y'all. Peace.